In this video, we will learn how to program radio buttons. So let's first populate our front panel by using the radio buttons. To add new selection to the radio button control, copy an existing selection and place it within the radio buttons control. Right click the new selection and choose visible items label to change the label of the new selection, then choose the same option to hide the label again. The Boolean text is shown on the selections because it is a selectable text, whereas the label is not. So let's have let's call it selection. Now let's go to the block diagram. We can use an event structure to monitor when the user operates controls on the front panel. For that, we will use a while loop and we will have an event structure inside it. Also, let's have a stop button to close this VI when we need to. So let's have the first event for handling the stoppage of this loop and the VI. Next, let's have a event structure, event handling code for when the radio button's value is changed. To convert this numeric value into a string, we can use the format into string function. Let's pass this value to it. Let's create a format string. Let's place a placeholder %s, since it's a string surrounded by quotation mark. And let's pass this formatted string to this indicator. Let's clean up the code and we are done. So let's go and run this VI.